Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you to how to write Python scripts. So let's get started. So first thing we have to download Python. So we have to just type Python download. We will get this screen. Now we have to click download Python. You have to download the latest Python update, latest version for Windows. So click on here. So as you can see, there will be Python 3.10.1.exe file here. So wait for it until it downloads. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. So click on the file. Now you'll get here Python 3 by 3. I have already installed, that's why it's showing me like this. You have to just click on next, 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 and all the stuff. There are many different tutorials to tell you how to download Python, so you can see from there. For now, we'll just cancel this. Now the next step is that download PyCharm. Using PyCharm, we are going to our download and write our Python coding. So there will be a www.jetbrains.com. Click on this. You'll get a PyCharm. You'll get the PyCharm window. Now you have to just download. Now it's going to ask you two questions: if you want to download professional one, or if you want to download community one. Download community one because it is free. Professional one, it is going to pay you money, and the community one is more good. So click on this. Now you can see thank you for download PyCharm. Now it's going to ask you this. You have to just click keep. Now I already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. It is very easy to download PyCharm. You have to just next, 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 and all the stuff. Now let's go back to our Python coding. Now there are two types in which we can write Python. You can use PyCharm or you can use Notepad. I'm going to teach you how to write Notepad first, then we'll go to PyCharm. So over here there will be Notepad. So it is very easy. So write your first code. This is a code. Now you have to just click save as, and then over here you'll get text dot. Now you have to just click dot, and then you have to put py, and then you have to save anywhere you want. For now I'm going to save it in my C drive. For now you have to I'll download it in my C drive. So I downloaded it, and now it is very easy. For me the notepad is not working, so I'm going to use Notepad++. It is already downloaded in your Windows laptop, so it is very so you can use it. So for example, I write my first code. So this is my first code. Now what I'm going to do, you have to click here and then go here, save as, click this. Now you'll get third fog. Now what you have to do, you have to click you have to name the file. So I'll put this Python, and then you have to put .py. Now this Python.py, when you write Python, when you write .py after your file's name, it is going to convert this file into a Python file. So now click save. Now if you go to your place where you saved your file, you will see a Python. Our file Python is being saved. Now it's showing us PyCharm So now click on this. So now it is will see that a Python terminal will be open. So you have to just do nothing. You have to just type your file name and then click on enter, and then it's going to run your command. It is so easy to use Notepad, but more easier is the PyCharm. So I'm going to use Python from this tutorial. So I start open. So as you can see, the PyCharm is being opened. So now, as you can see, our PyCharm is being opened. Now you will get the tip of the day. You have to do nothing with it. You have to just close it. So now let's create. I'll teach you how to write Python scripts. So we'll write our first code called print. Now this print is a command which is going to print whatever you write inside these brackets. But first you need to add quotes. Then you have to write anything. For example, I write my name, and then you have to again click quotes, and then you have to again click bracket. Now as you can see, you'll get print bracket quote my name quote bracket. Now when I run this command, it is going to print my name, whatever I written inside the brackets. It is going to print that. So run. So as you can see, it has been run. Now it shows my name. So the print command is a very easy command. So for example, let's make our own. Let's print that hello, have a nice day. Hello. So first we are going to write quotes, then we write hello, have a nice day. So as you can see, this has been done. Now you have to just click on run. Now as you can see, there will be hello, have a nice day. So it print the print command prints whatever you write inside the bracket. But if you don't write quotes, it is going to put a syntax error. So now I run it. Now it is showing us that this print is an invalid syntax. It gave us a syntax error. If you do not put quotes, means you're talking about a variable. So it is very important to put quotes before you write something or print something. But if you want to print a variable, it is very easy. So our next topic is about variables. So the variables is, for example, I make numbers. So now, and then I put 1. So this variable has been created numbers. So you can create any type of variable. So I created for now numbers. Now it shows us, now it is showing us 1. Means the number variable is 1. So now at this time, you don't need to write quotes, or else if you write quotes and then type the number variable, it is only going to print numbers. But if you type numbers like this only as a variable and you click run, it is going to print the value which you have written for the variable. So I wrote numbers equals to 1. So it's only going to print 1, not the variable. So this is very easy. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create many different variables. For example, we are going to create a variable of numbers. So, so the number. So, last time showed you about the underscore, but this time we are just going to put we are just going to leave it like this. So if need equals to uh, watermelon, then it should put. So we are now having a syntax error. So let's check. So now it's telling in line number two. So line number two, this should be expected. So give a space bar, enter. So if need equals to shift this watermelon, watermelon, then it should print uh, this this is 10 bucks. So now we are still having a syntax error. Why we are having a syntax error? Because this need is nothing. So it should be like this. So include. So if need, then this, and then this. So now whatever we put, so our store is full of items, and then it is everything is 10 bucks. So I put water and watermelon. So it's going to tell this is 10 bucks. So it is our imaginary shop, and then it has everything 10 bucks. So with this program, we have covered all the topics which I've learned. We today learned two topics, uh, which is we have learned today three topics: the print statement, the variables, and the loops. This is called loops. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you more about loops, and then we are going to create a game out of what we learned. So see you all the next time. Till then.